Today I will show you that how you can easily update apps on your iPhone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up the App Store on your phone, and then you'll have to tap on your profile on the top right corner. And first of all, you'll have to swipe down and it will load to update. Then you'll have to scroll down, and right here you'll be able to find all the applications that need to be updated to the latest version, and you can easily tap on update in front of each application, or you can simply tap on update all to update all the applications to the latest version. Now if you're facing a glitch or bugs in any application, you can follow the second step. You can go back and then head over to the settings of your iPhone, then scroll down all the way and tap on general. After that, you'll have to tap on iPhone storage, and then you'll have to look for that particular app that you want to you're facing glitches with. If I open YouTube, first of all you'll have to tap on offload app, then hit offload. Now you'll have to tap on reinstall app, and it will take some time. It will not delete any one of your files. It will only delete cache files, and which will force update your app to the latest version, and you will be able to use it smoothly. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.